Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Bagerwal. Welcome to Salesforce Marketing Cloud series. In this video, I will show you how to use some date functions in Ampscript. So let's get started. So first we are gonna create a content block in which we are gonna use some date functions, and then that content block we are gonna use in an email. So I'll just go back to the content builder, and here I'll just create a content block of type freeform. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make use of now function. So how we can use that? So first for this is going to be inline Ampscript, so I'll start with $sign equals now, and how we can generally use the function with the small braces, and again the again the equals mark, and then $sign. Okay, and one more thing we are gonna use is one more function we are gonna use, that would be the format function. So again I'm gonna say copyright colon, again I'm starting the inline Ampscript, $equals format, and inside the format I'm gonna make use of now function, and the format which I require is year, and year. Okay, so I just want to see the year of the today. Okay, so equals and then $, so that would be the end of inline Ampscript. Hit enter, and so that's everything we are gonna use in this example. So let's save it and let's give it a name as copyright year sample. Okay, now let's save it. So once that is done, now we are gonna put this content block inside our email. So I'll just go back to the, so this is basically content block. So I'll just go to this email, CloudKicks loyalty email, and I'll just click edit it and edit content. So from here I'll go to this content tab. Now here you can see our content block is available for us to use, and I will just drag it and okay, yeah, I'll just drag it and drop it here. Now we have added our content over here. Now let's go to the first click done editing, and let's go to the preview and test, so how it's gonna look like. So let's say if your today's date is in this example it's 2019, so now function is returning the date along with the timestamp, and the format function which we have used to simply show the year value, so that is returning only the year. So that's how you can make use of available functions, available date functions in Ampscript, and you can make use of those in your emails or content blocks or even messages. So that was all about this video. If you find the content helpful, please like the video and comment on it. For more, please subscribe my channel as Abhishek Bagerwal. Thank you.